A single shoelace can withstand forces equivalent to 200 newtons, yet fails when subjected to a mere 50 newtons of lateral stress. Shoelaces are ubiquitous, yet their failure to hold our shoes in place has puzzled many for centuries. These simple strings of nylon or cotton seem to defy the laws of physics, but what's behind their mysterious behavior? As we delve into the world of food science and cooking chemistry, we'll uncover the surprising secrets behind the humble shoelace. It all begins with the concept of adhesion and cohesion, the forces that govern the behavior of molecules in a material. Adhesion is the attractive force between molecules of different substances, while cohesion is the attractive force between molecules of the same substance. When a shoelace is subjected to tension, the molecules align in a particular direction, creating a crystalline structure. But what happens when a lateral force is applied to the lace? Suddenly, the molecules are disrupted and the lace fails. It's as if the shoelace has a memory of its original structure, and when disturbed, it returns to its former state, losing its integrity. This phenomenon is known as the memory effect, and it's not unique to shoelaces. It's observed in other materials as well. But that's not the strangest part. When a shoelace is twisted, it creates a phenomenon known as torque-induced stress, which can cause the lace to fail even further.
Imagine a twisted shoelace as a twisted rope, where the fibers are aligned in a particular direction, creating a weak point in the material.
As we apply more force to the twisted shoelace, the fibers begin to fray, and the lace eventually breaks, releasing all its stored energy. This energy release is equivalent to the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs, making it a powerful and potentially destructive event. The science behind shoelace failure is a complex interplay of adhesion, cohesion, and torque-induced stress, making it a fascinating topic for food science and cooking chemistry enthusiasts. So, what can we learn from the humble shoelace? How can we apply this knowledge to create stronger, more durable materials in the kitchen? By understanding the principles of adhesion, cohesion, and torque-induced stress, we can design recipes that are both delicious and structurally sound. For example, when making a delicate sauce, we can use a combination of ingredients that enhance adhesion, such as gelatin or agar-agar, to create a stable and cohesive mixture. But what happens when we add a twist to the sauce, literally or metaphorically? Does it change the dynamics of the mixture? As we explore the intersection of food science and cooking chemistry, we'll discover the surprising ways in which shoelaces can teach us about the behavior of materials in the kitchen. And then something unexpected happened. I realized that the principles of shoelace failure can be applied to other areas of cooking, such as baking and pastry making. The science behind the humble shoelace has far-reaching implications for food science and cooking chemistry, and it's an area that's ripe for exploration and experimentation. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of the shoelace and take your cooking to the next level, then join me on this journey of discovery. Together, we'll explore the fascinating world of food science and cooking chemistry and uncover the surprising secrets behind the humble shoelace. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the principles of adhesion, cohesion, and torque-induced stress, and how they apply to cooking and food science. You'll also learn how to design recipes that are both delicious and structurally sound, and how to apply the principles of shoelace failure to other areas of cooking. And as a special bonus, you'll get access to a list of resources and references that will help you continue exploring the fascinating world of food science and cooking chemistry. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this, and join the conversation in the comments below. Want to learn more about food science and cooking chemistry? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the intersection of food and science. As we continue to explore the world of food science and cooking chemistry, I'll be sharing more fascinating stories and insights, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.